In this video, I'll be covering the Manage Users page. The Manage Users page is useful for admin of the account as well as managers of the account. This is where you're going to be able to assign pins to reps, give certain access rights, create teams, edit teams, and add new members. To get to the Manage Users page, you're simply going to click on Manage and then Manage Users. To begin, I'll explain the hierarchy system. The team owner will be listed at the top. This is the admin of the account, and they have full access rights. They will have access to all the pins within MapMyCustomers, as well as they can run imports and reorganize this team. They will be able to see all the teams that exist and can make edits to these teams. The next tier is a team manager. The team manager is only going to see the information regarding the team to which they are assigned. Matt, who is the manager of Team 1, will be able to see all of the activities and the pins that are associated with all the team members within this Team 1. However, Matt will not be able to see Team 2 or make any edits to Team 2 or Team 3. A team member has the access rights that are given by the manager or the admin on the account. These team members are members that are existing without a team. To add one of these team members to one of the teams, simply click the blue plus button and select the user that you would like to add to that team. You will now see that they've been removed from this top bucket and is now a member of the Team 2. To give users access to pins and to assign their permissions, simply click on the member that you would like to address. You'll see that there is a blue Give Users Access To button, which will open up this side panel. As you can see, Member 2 has access to Groups Tier A and Group Tier B. Member 2 can only see the pins that are existing within these two groups. If you would like to assign Group 1 or some of these other lead ones to this user, simply click the checkbox, and they will now get access to the pins that exist within these groups. The sharing of records can be done from companies, peoples, deals, company routes, or people routes or territories. In regards to permissions, these users currently only have access to edit the account. If you would like your users to be able to export or delete accounts, here's where you can come in and make these changes. Again, this can happen for companies, people, deals, routes, or territories. If you would like to remove a user from a team, however, they still are existing within your MapMyCustomer system, you can hit this red Remove From Team button or click Manage Team. From Manage Team, if somebody has become a team manager or you need to make edits to that hierarchy level, you can just come in here and swap them over to a team manager or to the appropriate team member status. Here you can also remove the member from the team. Again, removing a member from the team is not going to delete the user, but simply is going to drop them into this Users Without Teams section. If you would like to completely delete the user so they're no longer with the company, you can simply hit this red Delete User button. If you'd like to add a new team, this can be done up in the upper right-hand corner. It'll simply ask you to name the team, and that will create the team. You can then hit that blue plus button to add the team members that you would like to join the team. Finally, to add a new member, so if you've deleted a user but would like to add a member to replace that user, simply hit Add Member up at the top. You can hit Add Individual User or add multiple users at once. It's going to prompt you to put in the username as well as select which team they should be on. Finally, you're going to select if it's a team manager or a team member and hit Finish, and that user will be added into your account. Currently, you can see how many licenses you have under Manage Your Subscription. I see that I have 22 licenses, so that's going to be the max number of emails that I can have within my Manage Your Subscription section of MapMyCustomers.